Hi, welcome to a brand new Visuino tutorial. We're excited to share that Visuino now supports the Matter protocol. If you haven't heard of it yet, Matter is the new smart home standard that connects devices from different brands, all working together seamlessly in one ecosystem. It's supported by major platforms like Google Home, Amazon Alexa, and Apple HomeKit, so your devices can communicate across different systems easily and securely. In this simple Visuino tutorial, you'll learn how to use the Matter protocol to control an LED on an ESP32 directly from your smartphone, creating your first smart home setup. We'll use the Arduino Nano ESP32 board and the Rainmaker app from Espressive to turn an LED on or off from your phone, demonstrating the true power of IoT and seamless smart home automation. Open Visuino and select the Arduino Nano ESP32 board. Let's first set up the Wi-Fi connection. In the Properties window, expand Modules, Wi-Fi, Connect to Access Points. Click the three dots next to Connect to Access Points. In the Access Points window, drag Wi-Fi access point to the left side. Then, in the Properties window, set the SSID, the name of your Wi-Fi hotspot or router, and the password for your Wi-Fi. Once that's done, close the Access Points window. Now, let's set up the Matter connection. In the Properties window, expand Modules, Matter. Click the three dots next to Endpoints. In the Endpoints window, drag On-Off plugin to the left side. Close the Endpoints window. Connect the On-Off plugin 1 pin to the Arduino digital pin 13, where the LED is connected. Now we need to get the pairing code for the app. Connect the manual pairing code pin to the Arduino serial USB input pin and upload the project to the board. Then switch to the Serial tab, select the correct port, and click the Connect button. You should see the pairing code displayed in the serial monitor. Now, let's add a new device in the Rainmaker app using this code. Make sure your phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Arduino board. Open the Rainmaker app and tap Add Device. Select I don't have a QR code. Then choose Provisioning Transport Matter. Select your group and then choose Set up without QR code. Enter the Matter pairing code from the serial window. Tap I'm ready and wait for the app to connect to the Arduino board. When it's successfully connected, you'll see your new device appear in the app, ready to control the LED. When you power on the board, give it a few seconds to connect to your router. If the app can't find the device, try reconnecting the Wi-Fi or restarting the app. And that's it! You've just created a working, Matter-enabled smart home project using Visuino and the Arduino Nano ESP32. Turn your LED on or off directly from your phone and see how easy it is to build smart home automation with Visuino's visual programming. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next exciting Visuino tutorial.